Hi, I'm Jason with ExpertVillage.com, and today we're making the bone drawer handle, and we just put the hole in the center on each side. We made sure it goes all the way through, and now we're going to decide what we want to do shape-wise, polish-wise, all that. You'll notice with the skill saw, I cut the edges are really, really sharp. Not just sharp, but they've got deep gouges. Some people will not want gouges, some won't mind. I personally don't mind the roughness of it. I'm going to take off the whole outer layer of this, and it will shine. It will be really white and nice. So I don't like this on the ends, though. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take the cutting bit and actually go across until I take out these deep scratches, get it level, and get it the shape that I want. And I'm just going to want a flat shape with a beveled edge, and any of these impurities in the side that are left are just fine. That'll just add to the character, especially this, like this over here. And if you don't like it, as you go, you can always take them out. And I'm going to do that to both sides next. So I'm going to use the cutting bit on that.